Hello everybody, I am Samarendu. I study in grade 6. I have made a DIY homemade hologram model. This is a model which can show 2D into 3D objects like an hologram. Now you don't have to worry to watch your IPL matches in 2D. Let me explain you how this works. There is an OHP sheet in the front, and I have used the help of a phone 2D video to make this work. This is the base that is holding the phone, and this is the bottom, which is the main support. If you can see the video, you will see from the back side it is not visible, but only in the front side you will be able to see the video. That means right now I cannot see the video, but you can. It is at a 45 degrees tilt. Thank you everybody.